Welcome to Beltzville State Park here in Carbon County, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to explore the Wild Creek hiking trail, take the kayak out for a paddling session on Beltzville Lake. We're going to go down to Picnic Pavilion Area 2 and look for some fossils. And we're also going to check out a covered bridge. It's going to be a great day. All right, so we're going to get on the Wild Creek Trail here. And if you're looking for the trailhead, this is definitely separated from the main section, the section where you'd go in towards the lake and the day use area. So this is a bit further down the road, but there is signs and a small parking lot for this trailhead. So this trail basically takes you out to a nice view of the Roaring Creek, some little waterfalls over the rocks. This is a really nice section of forest. You go through a thick area of pine trees. There's lots of rhododendrons, a very shady, quiet section of the park. So we enjoyed this, walking this trail. So now we're at Picnic Pavilion 2 parking area, and we're walking across the grass to get down to the lake. As you can see, there's a really thick fog in the air this morning. I think it's going to burn off. It's supposed to be a nice day, but it's pretty misty and foggy right now. Anyway, I've seen on the internet and some other videos, people have been successful finding fossils down by this area by the lake shore. So we're going to give it a try and see what we can find here. I'll say at first, when you're looking for the fossils, it seems daunting, but then you kind of figure out what the rock looks like, that most of the rock that contains the fossils looks the same type of rock. And once you identify that, it gets pretty easy because you just look for that type of rock, and usually there's a small fossil in it. So I believe the fossils are here because when they created the dam, it exposed some different rock layers, and through the creation of the dam, in this portion of the lake, these rocks got exposed, and that's why you can find the small fossils here. Hey everybody, today I'm here at beautiful Beltzville Lake in Pennsylvania, and I'm kayaking, so come along with me. It's gonna be an awesome day. So now I'm over by the main lake area, and I'm gonna launch my folding kayak from here. The one thing I do notice is that this is a really big lake, and it's open to regular boats with motors. So I've noticed there's a lot of wake from those boats. People are being pretty courteous, but there's still a lot of wake. So I'm concerned a little bit, and I'm gonna kind of stay in the shallower area of the lake and stay more to the shoreline, just to make sure that my kayak doesn't get caught in too many waves here. So it's October, so you can see this orange fencing is up where this would be the swimming, the day use beach area for the lake. And if you're familiar with the state park, you know that it gets so busy in the summer. Sometimes they have to actually close the parking areas down to limit access. When my kids were little, we used to come here so much and take them swimming just because the lake is such a great environment for little kids. You know, there's no waves like the ocean or that type of thing. But here in October, it's pretty quiet. Just a few motorboats out on the lake, and it's a nice, peaceful experience here. I like looking out, seeing the mountains in the distance. Some of the leaves are starting to change here, and the lake is really so clear. I know it gets deep in some spots, but the area that I'm at, you can see fish, you can see the rocky bottom, you can see some different aquatic plants in there. It's pretty cool. So if you come to Beltzville State Park, right here in the park by the main day use area is a covered bridge. So this is the Harrity covered bridge, but it's also known as the Buck covered bridge. So this is a king post truss bridge that was built in 1841. And then in 1970, it was moved from its location over the creek to in this grassy area of the state park. And this was done because they had to flood the creek to create the lake, and the bridge would have been destroyed. So locals wanted to save this bridge and preserve it, and it's been relocated here. It's got this beautiful red color. It's only used for walking traffic now that it's not connected to a roadway and now that it's not spanning a creek. But I think it's really cool that it's here in the state park. If you're here at the park anyway, you can walk through, check it out. It's pretty well preserved. The other neat thing is if you look out the one side of the bridge, you can see the lake in the distance, and I think that's a cool feature as well. Thank you so much for checking out this video. We hope that when you watch our channel, you feel inspired to go outside and take a walk or visit a local park, or if you're in the Pennsylvania area, to check out some of these great places. You can see new full-length videos on our channel every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. The rest of the week on our channel, we post a lot of different shorts, different nature clips, and different things that we do throughout the week. So there's always something going on our channel. Thanks for watching.